Welcome student in Subhas English School digital lecture. Today we are going to take up chapter first of class 9th science NCERT in chemistry. Chapter first, matter in our surrounding. Students, we know that when we get up every day in the morning and look around us, then we see a large number of varieties of things. And these things are quite different to each other in shape, size, color, state, nature, texture, etc. What is matter? Anything which occupies space and have mass is called matter. यानी कोई भी थिंग जो कुछ स्थान घेरती है और उसका अपना कुछ मास यानी भार होता है उसे हम मैटर कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यदि हम किसी बुक को टेबल पर रखें तो हम देखते हैं वो कुछ स्थान घेरती है और उसका अपना कुछ भार होता है. Matter are made up of small particles and these particles are called atoms. For example, of matter are toys, stone, table, chair, air, water, milk, earth, sun, moon, stars, planets, light, smell, taste, etc. Out of these matter, some are matter and some are not matter. How can we find some things are matter and some things are not matter? Here we can see light is not a matter because light does not have any mass and does not occupy space. Smell and taste come in the category of matter because smell is the when we feel smell of any object, then we find a particle of that object are come in our nose and we feel smell. टेस्ट, जब हम किसी चीज को चखते हैं तो एक्चुअली हम उस चीज के पार्टिकल को अपनी टंग पर रखते हैं जिससे हमको उसका फील होता है. सो वी कैन से स्मेल एंड टेस्ट कम इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ मैटर, बट लाइट, आपका जॉय, ग्रीड, हैप्पीनेस, लव, ये सभी मैटर की कैटेगरी में नहीं आते क्योंकि हम इनको सिर्फ अपनी सेंस ऑर्गन द्वारा फील करते हैं, क्योंकि इनका ना तो कोई मास होता है और ना ही ये कोई जगह घेरते हैं. Now we will take characteristics of particles of matter. Student, we know that matter are made up of particles and particles have some characteristics. First characteristic is they have space between them. यानी जो particles होते हैं मैटर के उनके बीच में कुछ स्थान होता है. सेकंड इज दे अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर, यानी किसी भी मैटर के जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो किसी न किसी फोर्स के द्वारा एक दूसरे को अपनी ओर अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. थर्ड इज दे आर कंटिन्यूसली मूव. मैटर के अंदर जो भी पार्टिकल होते हैं वो कंटिन्यूसली मोशन में रहते हैं, लगातार इधर से उधर गति करते रहते हैं. नाउ वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड characteristics of particles by these diagrams. In first diagram, we can see clearly there are some particles which are shown in round shape, and we clearly see there is some vacant space between them, and this space which is present between the particle is called particle space or intermolecular space. In second diagram, we see particles are attached to each other by a attraction force, and this force is called interparticle force or intermolecular force. In third diagram, in this diagram we see particles of matter are moved in different direction. It means randomly direction. So we can say particle of matter move continuously here and there. This movement of particle is also known as Brownian movement. I hope you have understood about matter and characteristics of matter and enjoyed this video. Thank you.